Okay, I'm working on a pair of 350 Chevrolet 217 casting cylinder heads. Today I'll be putting valve guides in them. They have a 194 intake with an 11/32 stem. And I'll be installing these cast iron guides in them. The exhaust valves are 1/500, but they have a 3/8 stem. So I'll be installing these 3/8 guides in the exhaust. Hey everybody, happy Tuesday, how we doing? Let's get these up in the head machine and get to business. Okay, I've got it in my head machine. I'm going to cut down the tops first with this cutter. It's got the wrong size pilot in it, so it's going to wobble around, and I don't care. Let's cut them. There you go. Let me vacuum this up now and flip it over. Okay, I flipped it over and I got it leveled this direction and this direction. Now I have to core drill it. I got 11/32 and a 3/8. And then I'll finish reaming. Okay, I got all the intakes cut. Now it's time to switch to this 3/8. Okay, let me vacuum these chips up and I'll switch over to the reamer. Now I use oil on this. I use the core drill dry. Okay, I've oiled all the holes. Got you back at this angle to see how it goes. Bounces around a little bit. Here we go. Okay, I'm ready to install after I get rid of all those chips. My camera's not shockproof, but I'll be interested to see what that looks like. There we go, these will get chamfered and reamed. Let me flip it over and cut the seals. We'll cut the intakes first. Okay, there you go. Let me get this head out and get the other one in. I had to change out the pilot on this. I only have one of these 1/2-inch seal cutters. Okay, I got the second head in here. I'm not going to bore you with all the details. I'll just show you each step along the way. These are off of Marine. They both have this plug in them, so I got to remove one of them for them. So here we go. There you go. And clean up the chips and flip it over. I forgot to say, the reason I cut these tops off first is because you could split this thing, and even though this is great big, it's, on the earlier ones it's not as big. and these aren't likely to split, but you can split these if you work from the top. That's why I like to work from the bottom, and then flip it back over to do my seal cut like I did on the other ones. Here you go. I didn't film much of this second head, did I? Came out great, ready to do the seats on them. Here's another look down that chamber side. There you go, some valve guides and some small blocks. I didn't get a chance to start filming until late today. I was really busy with other stuff this morning. But I told you I'd do some guide work for you today. It's about 7:45. I'm going to get my butt home. Hey, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for coming along. You guys come back and see me again, and be nice to each other. Bye.